you have a whole series. It's called Forensics or something, and then you basically very deeply research videos into the company's culture and their CEOs' actions, and a lot of the. And one of the things that I like about you is that you do not refrain from, um, well, giving your take. Sometimes you refer to these as like jerks, or you don't refrain from, like, you're not neutral. You're always like, I remember one you said will go on history as a thing to not do by the CEO. Like when you're explaining how one of these CEOs let go of a bunch of people or something. I remember which company it was, but have you ever gotten in trouble because you do that? Like, because you give your take, is you're not unbiased. You're kind of like give your
No,
opinion or
so far we haven't for the most part. There's stuff that people are always going to be sensitive about, usually in politics. But with company decisions and stuff like this, it's rare unless a company has a passionate following, or on the contrary, a passionate set of haters. And some companies do, right? The apples of the world have
yeah.
that. Unless the company has some of that, most people don't know enough about the story to kind of have a strong opinion against what we said.